Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German for Beginners. In this lesson you will be learning the same thing, that how to pronounce professions into German. So are you ready? Here we go. Remember, you should have to listen and repeat after me. So here is the first word. Cinder. Der Zander, die Zanderin. Der Zander, die Zanderin. Dancer. Der Tanzer, die Tanzerin. Der Tanzer, die Tanzerin. Manager. Der Manager, die Managerin. Der Manager, die Managerin. Accountant. Der Buchhalter, die Buchhalterin. Der Buchhalter, die Buchhalterin. Painter. Der Kunstmaler, die Kunstmalerin. Der Kunstmaler, die Kunstmalerin. Interpreter. Der Dolmetscher, die Dolmetscherin. Der Dolmetscher, die Dolmetscherin. Cook. Der Koch, Kotlin, die Kocherin. Der Koch, die Kocherin. Now let's come to the sentences. What is your profession? In German you can say Was sind Sie von Beruf? Once again, Was sind Sie von Beruf? I am a teacher. Your answer will be in German like this. Ich bin Lehrerin. Ich bin Lehrerin. Hope you liked my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe the bell icon. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.